Hi, my name is Liberina and I'm a bride to be. I'm getting married now, sooner in a month's time. Today I'm here at Zanya's. I have been visiting Zanya for over 3 years now. My hair, my skin has been completely taken care by Zanya, by Shilpa. And I must say, it's an experience that every woman who's an anxious by nature, who wants to be on top of her work in her professional life and her personal life, but need that one day break for herself to rejuvenate, to refocus, and pamper herself. So, if that's what you're looking at, you should be at Zanya's. Come experience the service, come experience the warmth of the ambience, the aroma that gives that rejuvenates your senses, maybe the aroma in the air, the products. I think it's beautiful. So today I'm here for my pre-bridal. It's a session that I'm going to go through and I'm excited about it. I want to see what is it and how does it take me to another level with Zanya's. Hi everybody. So I just got done with my pre-bridal detox ritual as Zanya's. A detailed detox ritual. We started with a head massage, a body cleansing, body scrubbing, applying natural herbs in terms of in form of an opt-in to my body and cocooning it up with a banana leaf, which was kept on me for about 30 minutes. Quite refreshing. Followed by that was a facial, and I must say my skin, my hair feels amazing. It feels fresh, it feels rejuvenated. So here I would say I'm now heading out to be on top of my wedding preparations. Why don't you ladies book an appointment, pamper yourself, come here at Zanya and experience the magic that Shilpa gives in terms of for your hair, for your skin, and enjoy a day at the paradise.